Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of high-end construction trucks, the sort of things that make a normal truck look like a child's toy. We're talking about the big boys, the ones that move mountains, make fortunes, and cost more than a small island. Buckle up as we explore the top 4 most expensive trucks in the world. Right, let's start with a proper beast, the Komatsu Dumper. This isn't just any truck. It's the king of the quarry, the titan of the terrain. This thing is absolutely massive, like a block of flats decided to grow some wheels. Imagine a skyscraper on wheels, rolling through the rugged landscape. And when I say wheels, I mean wheels that are taller than me. These wheels are so big they could probably crush a car without even noticing. Now, you don't buy one of these for nipping down to the shops. This is a serious piece of machinery designed for serious work. This is for moving serious amounts of earth, rock, whatever you've got. Whether it's a mountain of gravel or a hill of dirt, this truck can handle it. It's got more power than a herd of angry elephants and can carry more weight than a Boeing 747. Imagine the raw power and strength packed into this machine. We're talking about a payload capacity of, wait for it, 400 tons. That's an astronomical amount of weight. That's like carrying around 25 London double-decker buses. Just picture that for a moment, a convoy of buses all loaded onto one truck. Imagine the look on the faces of those tourists. They'd be absolutely gobsmacked, jaws dropping to the floor. And the price tag, well, if you have to ask, you can't afford it. This is a luxury item in the world of construction. But for those with deep pockets and a need to move mountains, you're looking at around 4 million quid. Yes, you heard that right, 4 million. But listen to that engine roar. It's not just a sound, it's a symphony of power. A mechanical masterpiece that commands respect. It's like a symphony of power, a mechanical masterpiece. Every rev of the engine is like a note in a grand orchestra. You don't just drive this truck, you conduct it. It's an experience, a performance, and you're the maestro. And don't even get me started on the off-road capabilities. This truck is built to conquer the toughest terrain. This thing laughs in the face of mud, rocks, and pretty much anything else you can throw at it. It's like a mountain goat on steroids. Agile and unstoppable. It's like a mountain goat on steroids. No terrain is too tough, no obstacle too big. Now, if you've got a spare few million lying around and you fancy getting your hands on one of these bad boys, you'll need to head down to your nearest Komatsu dealership. But be prepared for a bit of a wait. Just be prepared for a long wait. These trucks are in high demand, and for good reason. These things are built to order, handcrafted like a Savile Row suit. Each one is a custom masterpiece, tailored to perfection. But trust me, it's worth the wait. Once you get behind the wheel, you'll understand why this truck is the king of the quarry. Next up, we've got something a little bit special. A truck that's as much at home on the Autobahn as it is on a construction site. This is the Mercedes-Benz Actros, and it's a bit like the David Beckham of the truck world. Now, you might be thinking, a Mercedes truck? Isn't that a bit, well, fancy for a building site? And you know what? You'd be right. This truck is all about luxury and power, with a cab that's more like a 5-star hotel room than a driver's seat. We're talking leather seats, a fridge, a microwave, even a proper bed. You could live in this thing. And why wouldn't you want to, with that powerful engine purring away under the hood? This thing has got more horses than a Kentucky Derby winner, and it can shift a load faster than you can say logistics. But it's not just about brute force. The Actros is also packed with technology, with all the latest safety features and driver aids. It's like having a co-pilot who's always looking out for you, making sure you get to your destination safe and sound. And speaking of destinations, this truck can go anywhere. It's equally at home on a long-haul journey across Europe as it is navigating a busy construction site. And with its sleek, aerodynamic design, it'll turn heads wherever it goes. Now, if you're in the market for a top-of-the-range truck that combines luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology, then the Actros is definitely worth a look. Head down to your nearest Mercedes-Benz dealership and take one for a spin. You won't be disappointed. The Actros isn't just a truck, it's a statement. A statement of quality, reliability, and sheer engineering brilliance. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising through city traffic, the Actros handles it all with ease. Its advanced navigation system ensures you're always on the best route, saving you time and fuel. Speaking of fuel, the Actros is designed with efficiency in mind, making it not just powerful, but also eco-friendly. Driver comfort is paramount, with an ergonomic design that reduces fatigue and keeps you focused on the road. And let's not forget the connectivity features. With a state-of-the-art infotainment system, you're always connected, entertained, and informed. Rain or shine, the Actros performs consistently, ensuring that you can rely on it no matter the weather conditions. Even at night, the Actros stands out with its powerful headlights and visibility features, making nighttime driving safer and more comfortable. So, whether you're at a truck stop or on the open road, the Actros is your ultimate companion. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey in between. The Mercedes-Benz Actros is more than just a truck. It's a revolution in the world of heavy-duty vehicles. Experience the future of trucking today with the Mercedes-Benz Actros. Your journey starts here. Now, for those of you who are environmentally conscious, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you. In fact, we've gone above and beyond to ensure that our trucks meet the highest environmental standards. This is the Scania R730, and it's a bit like Greta Thunberg in truck form. It's a symbol of how powerful performance and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Don't let that fool you, though. This truck is not just about making a statement, it's about delivering results. This thing is still a beast, with a powerful engine and a robust design that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether it's navigating through rugged terrains or managing a busy work site, the R730 is built to perform. But what sets the R730 apart is its fuel efficiency. In an industry where every drop of fuel counts, the R730 stands out by maximizing every gallon. This truck is designed to squeeze every last mile out of every drop of diesel, which is good news for your wallet and the planet. Imagine driving long distances without constantly worrying about refueling. And with its advanced aerodynamics and low rolling resistance tyres, it's like it glides through the air. These features not only enhance fuel efficiency, but also contribute to a smoother driving experience. But it's not just about being green. The R730 is designed to offer an unparalleled driving experience. The R730 is also packed with features that make it a joy to drive, with a comfortable cab, intuitive controls and a smooth, responsive ride. The ergonomic design ensures that drivers remain comfortable even on long hauls. It's like driving a luxury car, only you're behind the wheel of a truck that can haul a small house. The attention to detail in the cab's design makes every journey a pleasure. And speaking of hauling, the R730 can handle even the toughest loads, with a range of engine options and axle configurations to choose from. This versatility ensures that you can customize the truck to meet your specific needs. So whether you're transporting timber, steel or anything in between, this truck can handle it. Its strength and reliability make it a trusted partner for any job. And with its reputation for reliability and durability, you know it's built to last. The R730 is engineered to withstand the toughest conditions and keep going. If you're looking for a truck that's both powerful and environmentally friendly, then the Scania R730 is definitely worth considering. It represents the future of trucking, where performance and sustainability go hand in hand. Head down to your nearest Scania dealership and see for yourself. Experience the blend of power, efficiency and comfort that the R730 offers. You won't be disappointed. Finally, we come to the Volvo FH16, a truck that's as synonymous with Sweden as meatballs and flat-pack furniture. But don't let that fool you, this is no delicate piece of Scandinavian design. This is a truck that's built for hard work, with a powerful engine, a robust chassis and a no-nonsense attitude. It's the sort of truck that wouldn't look out of place hauling logs through a Swedish forest or transporting goods across the Australian outback. And speaking of the outback, the FH16 is built to handle even the most extreme conditions, with a range of features designed to cope with heat, dust and rough terrain. It's like a camel with a steering wheel. But it's not just about brute strength. The FH16 is also surprisingly comfortable, with a spacious cab, a comfortable bed, and all the amenities you need to make life on the road bearable. It's like a home away from home, only with more horsepower. And with its reputation for safety and reliability, you can be sure that you're in safe hands behind the wheel of an FH16. So, if you're looking for a truck that's tough, reliable and surprisingly comfortable, then the Volvo FH16 is definitely worth a look. Head down to your nearest Volvo dealership and take one for a spin. So, there you have it, our rundown of the top 4 most expensive construction trucks in the world. These are the machines that make the world go round, the unsung heroes of the construction industry. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about these incredible machines, be sure to read articles, watch more videos, and visit the manufacturers' websites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.